We're gonna start. Graham, chat, Graham. What's good, YouTube? Today we're gonna be trolling people in Minecraft, playing random memes on my soundboard that I totally didn't search up on the internet. Holy Spirit, activate! You want to do this for singing Rap God? Where is it? I can't find my stupid meme. Ah! I think I'm banned from voice chat. Just a little bit. Hello? 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 Kaden, I think I'm banned from voice chat.
Yo, Asher. Go to your stand. I'll meet you there. I'm gonna be playing a song for you.
Hold on. I'm leaving this game quick and I'll rejoin you. I think there's something very... I think I'm finally banned from voice chat.
I'm Chuggy12.
After all that, I think I'm finally banned from voice chat. I have voice chat! Ah!
Yo, Asher. Asher, meet me at the stand. Make a stand.
I have voice chat. Fuck! I hate voice chat games.
Just hop on mic up with me.
At least it's just a suspension.
Yeah.
And Roblox banned from it.
Asher, meet me at the stand. Okay.
Check for this experience. You must have like some join. Check the group wall to know how to get. I know how to get voice chat. This stupid fucking game.
Yeah, sure. We'll just hop on a game that allows us to have voice chat.
Oh come on! I'm filming this on YouTube. Ugh!
Just pause it.
I'm just gonna end it. I can't just pause it. You imbecile.
I don't
You
care.
imbecile. You gay ass bitch.
Well, just meet me in a game.
No wonder why I got banned from voice chat. Listen to what I'm saying. I'll crash out. And I'll punch myself in the face.
Well, meet me on the game that allows us to have. Well, I'm gonna go and stand.
There's no way out. Macaroni with the fall, when your friends don't understand. Everybody wants to die, they all fall off. No, 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 no. Oh, I got my boy's jetpack! Let's go! Oh, I love Roblox. I got my boy's jetpack. Let's go! He's a minor. Get away from my brother. He's a minor. He's a minor. Get away from him. Yeah, get away from me! Get away from my brother. He's a minor. Get away from me!
Just gonna stand and I'll meet you at the stand. And then make it say, play me a song. Or sing me a song.
Goofy car sound. I got my boy's jetpack. I got banned from that. Hey, you stole my self-respect! Fire song! Fire song! I didn't mean to press that one! Ow, my ears!
Stand ready.
What?
We're gonna have a stand ready.
I don't understand. You can just come over here. What? Oh.
I'm loading it now.
point. Alright, bye YouTube. I hope you guys don't get mad at me for playing random memes at you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.